Hello everyone, today I want to show you a new farm that will start sending to us roses soon. We have a test shipment with one of our clients. They are Attar Roses from Ecuador with a nice variety. We choose some interesting articles from them, we hope. Let's unbox together with you. We start with Lorena Summer House. They are in bunches of 12 because they have big heads. And this is the second one. So nice big bud rose, looks like a big peony. Global, a peach horticolor, my favorite. I was willing to see cotton expression. It's exactly like a cotton bud. And pink amaretto. So mixture between two shades, pink and amaretto. Okay, wait a moment, I have another box. Nice pink Krista, it's called Horse Lady. So if you have to make a bouquet for the Horse Lady of a country, you should use this rose, I suppose. Wow. Govinda, we met him also in other growers. Okay, so this was the test. They have more assortment. We'll check and we'll start in coming weeks receiving roses for them.